Hi guys, this is Bhushan from Mobile Technology, also known as Texo Solution. Today I am going to show one of the projects. It's a automatic firefighting system controlled from your smartphone and also through a wireless camera. We have to monitor. Now let's see what's the particular features we have to add it in this particular project. Let's see. So this is the main control boards and various components we have to attach with the main control board. In this main control board, this is 8051 microcontroller. Okay, this is LCD display unit in which all the messages are shown here. This is a sensor board in which the fire sensor have control. This is the motor driver unit. This is the relay board, and this is the Bluetooth module, that is wireless module we have to connect it through smartphone. Okay, now let's see each function of this. So this is the main control board and this is main microcontroller 8051 in which the programming are insert and through which all the operation of the project is done. LCD display shows the message. Through this particular sensor board we have to control the sensor things like inputs and goes to the output to the control boards. This is motor driver which drives the motor in forward direction, left, right, any directions. This is the relay board which is used to operate the DC pump. Okay, and this is the Bluetooth module which is used to connect through a smartphone. Okay, and this is the power supply unit. This is the battery. So in this project there is a 2 wire with a pin. It is a red and this is the black. So this is the positive and this is a negative. So you have to just insert the positive to positive, that means red to red and black to black, negative to negative. Okay, now let's see how the project works and what's the operation. The power supply adapter through which the battery is charged. Okay, so you have to connect positive to positive, that means red and black, to this to charge this battery. Now let's see how we have to connect your smartphone to this robot. Okay, so first of all you have to connect this terminal with the battery. Control board is on. Control board first show your project name, that is firefighting robot. Second thing is Bluetooth module is blinking in a red color, so it is in active position. Then you have to connect your Bluetooth module with this robot. For that you have to go to your Bluetooth setting, turn on the Bluetooth, searching for the device. Okay, searching for the device. So in that device, if HC05, okay, HC05 is the Bluetooth module name, you have to connect. You have to just touch and right here paired with SC05 type 1234. Okay, 1234. So 1234 is your pin name. Okay, so you have to just type and connect. Now it is connected. Okay, so after that we have to operate this robot through your smartphone. Okay, so from Play Store, Google Play Store, you have to download this BT Terminal app. Okay, this is the symbol, and BT Terminal app you have to download from the Play Store and install it. Okay, so I have already installed this app. Now I have go to this app and go to the connect setting. In the connect setting you have to search the device first, that is SC05 is the device already present. So I have connected. So first you have to go to the connect, and in that connect, if there is a device SC05, okay, so you have to connect to SC05. Just click on it. After clicking, the device is connected automatically. Okay, it is connected now, and this is the transmitter portion. So if you type anything like forward, backward, reverse, right, left, so you have to type the command here and send. Okay, so in this way from your smartphone you have to operate this robot. So let's see how it operates. So in this project, first when you connect the battery with the terminal, project is on. As you see, the fire is on, manual is there. Okay, so here there is a switch. Okay, this is the switch. A for automatic, M for manual. Okay, so it is now in manual condition. Okay, manual condition means you have to control from your smartphone. The firefighting function you have to control from your smartphone. Okay, automatic means there is a sensor mode which is attached at the front portion, so you have to just operate from that. Okay, so first we have to see how the manual function is work. So from your smartphone, in which the Bluetooth BT terminal app is open. Okay, now type F for forward, B for backward, R for right, and L for left, and S for the stop. Okay, so just write F and send. S for stop. Now B for backward, S for stop, small r for right, S for stop, left, S for stop. Okay, so in this way we have to control this robot with your smartphone. Okay, now let's see the pump, how you have to control the pump from your smartphone. Okay, for that you have to go and type 1 means pump is on, and 2 is pump is off. So type 1 and set. As you hear the sound, the pump is on. Okay, now I just type 2, pump is off. Okay, so in this way the total concept of firefighting robot is controlled from your smartphone. Okay, now this is the manual condition. Okay, this is the manual condition. Now let's see how automatic condition in which this robot will control and monitor the fire at that particular position. Okay, so let's see. So in this project there is a one switch on the left side. Okay, now this switch is used to operate the LED light which is present at the front portion. Okay, so when I switch on, so the LED light at the front position is on. Okay, and when I switch off, it is in off condition. Okay, now let's see how this automatic firefighting, this sensor based firefighting works. For that you have to first of all switch on in automatic position. Okay, there is a switch in black color. Right now it is a manual type. Just click on it and go to the automatic. In LCD display there is automatic mode is there. Okay, written automatic. Okay, like this one. Now it is manual, it is automatic. Okay, now it is in automatic condition. Okay, now first of all let's see what happens if any kind of fire is there in front of this robot. Okay, so when there is a fire, it is sensed by the sensor. The pump is on automatically. Okay, let's see again. So pump is off. Again. So in this way the automatic function of firefighting robot works. Also you have to control from the manual from your smartphone. So both the function you have to operate in this firefighting robot. And this wireless camera is used to monitor the situation at the fire situation at that particular location from your smartphones. Okay, for that we have to just connect this particular wireless camera to your smartphone. There is particular QR code, you have to scan just and just connect it. Okay, so thanks for watching.